then this is going to be 6x, x plus 3 over x plus 3 is equal to what?
But the x on the bottom is also being, oh no, because they cancel out, never mind.
Okay, 2 times x, x plus 3. Okay, so just as we did over here when we had 1/4 x plus 1/3 x equals 12, and Cassie said let's multiply by 12, we had 12x over 4 plus 12x over 3 is equal to 144. Why do we want to do this? To get rid of the denominators. Can we get rid of the denominators here?
Yes.
Okay, so what are we going to have? So I'm going to have 3x plus 3. And you just need to remember that it's multiplication, which is why I'm keeping it with parentheses, plus, well, 6x. And then this one was, what? Was that x squared plus 3x times 2, which is 2x squared plus 6x. So what do I have here? So 3x plus 6x is 9x plus 9 equals 2x squared plus 6x. What do you think we should do?
Solve
How?
Subtract 6x.
All right, well, let's, I'm going to move everything over on that. Subtract 9x and subtract 9. So I have what? 2x squared minus 3x minus 9 equals what?
0.
How do you want to solve that?
Quadratic formula. Factor.
Factor. Graph.
Maybe. So why not go for the graph? It's quick and easy. What are we looking for? Where x is going to be 0. And if it happens to be a whole number, you are done. If it happens to be a decimal, then maybe we need to try something out. Now, 2 and 9, 18, the factors of 18, that will give me a 3. What? 6 and 3. So it may have been easily factorable.
What is this called?
Pardon me?
What is this called?
Rational what are they? Equations. Rational equations, right? We've been talking about rational expressions, and we have turned it into an equation, equal sign. Yes?
Something I'm confused about is in the very beginning you had to multiply them by x.
The LCD, the least common denominator.
Yeah. Wouldn't that be on top and on the bottom? Because you only had it on the top.
What did we do here?
Oh, never mind. I see.
Okay, no, I know. That's why I really wanted you to do one that you were comfortable with and you could see. And again, go back to what you know, and you know the rules for, multiplying fractions. Ask yourself, does that make sense? Because the same principles are at work here. All right, let's try another one. All right, anybody have an answer for me if you factored it or if you did it graphically?
Negative 1.5 and 3.
Wait a minute, say that again.
Negative 1.5.
Negative 1.5, good.
3.
And 3, correct. Okay, Krista, are you okay? You look like you're zoning out. Sorry. Okay. Where were you lost, honey?
No. Like not this, but the thing we're doing before.
Okay. All right, you want to try another one?
I'll figure something. You wouldn't.
All right, here we go. You ready?
Uh-oh.
Still provided it. I'll follow through on that. Here we go.
Alright, so I have x minus 2 over x squared minus 3x
Can we factor?
minus, oh, factor, that sounds like a good idea.
5 and 2,
Yeah.
x times
Positive 5.
So what are you going to get?
X plus 5.
Okay,
Hey,
does
look.
that sound good?
Yes.
Okay, so what is the least common denominator?
Can you cross out the x minus 2?
Okay, let's think about it. We're gonna try to multiply by the least common denominator. What do you wanna do?
Can we get rid of the x
Don't
minus 2?
you have to
Yeah.
multiply
X
that,
minus 2.
yeah. Can you multiply the other side by x minus 2?
And then you have it in the same denominator.
Wouldn't it be,
Yeah, like cross out x minus 2 on the top and bottom.
We're
of the
gonna
first-
multiply, we
reducing-
can't
but
do
then
that.
why
We
not?
can't do that, because then if we're finding,
Isn't it like
Not
reducing
what
a
we just
fraction?
did.
You
Yeah,
take
because
out
if you
4
do
over
x
4.
minus 2, cross out x minus 2 on both sides,
You'd have-
on the top and bottom.
You have 1 over
Then
x
you have
minus
1
5.
over x plus 5, and you have the same denominator.
Minus
okay,
x
let's do
over
it that way.
x.
I'm not quite sure if that's gonna work.
It doesn't get rid of the fractions, but
Yeah, it's still being.
Okay, let's try it. So you're suggesting that this is now 1 over x plus 5 minus x over x plus 5 equals 4?
So, yeah, so x would have to be
So then
3.
So can we multiply the numerator by x plus 5 to get rid of the denominator?
yeah.
Okay. X plus 5, so I have x plus 5 minus what?
X
X
squared.
So it's going to be
Minus
x plus 5, and let's just not get messed up with that. Is equal to 4x plus 5. I'm gonna do x plus 5 minus x squared minus 5 is equal to 4x plus
Wouldn't
5.
it be 5x?
Yeah,
It would be
sorry.
4x plus 20 on the right.
Sorry, thank you. Sorry.
You don't like to distribute to that last group. And then you can
Okay, so what do I
simplify.
have now?
Negative 4x, or x, negative x squared minus 4x plus 5 is equal to 4x plus 20.
and we can
And then
factor
minus
that.
20, I mean, or minus 5, sorry.
Y minus 5.
Because you have plus 20 on one side and plus 5 on the other side.
Okay, so
Yeah,
can I,
minus
minus 20?
do you make it equal to 0?
Then negative x squared. Couldn't you just get rid of everything and make it 0? You get x.
Okay, what am I gonna do with that negative x squared?
Add it to
X to the 1/2.
you need negative 1.
I wanna get rid of that negative.
Multiply the whole thing by negative 1.
There you go, thank you.
I was thinking.
So this is going to be
X squared plus x plus.
plus 15 is equal to 0.
Yeah.
Factors of 15 that will combine to equal 8.
5 and 3.
3 and 5 or 5 and 3. Okay, so x plus 5 and x plus 3 equals 0. So x is equal to a negative 5 and x is equal to a negative 3. Okay, I'm gonna check my answer.
It's gonna be negative. Did I not just say x is equal to negative 4 before we did
I
that?
don't know if you answered here.
No, because I knew that x plus 5. Because negative 3 plus 5 is 2.
Negative 3.
But it might be an answer. I'm pretty sure I said I was guessing.
I have all my
Yeah,
hard
they just-
really have EFG.
Hold on a second. And okay, so this is that is not the correct answer. So let us go back to the original problem.
But that follows the rules of fractions.
We have to find, we did something wrong.
I don't like
So let's go back and graph this. graph this to check our answer? What are you graphing?
4 and then.
Okay, because this quantity has to equal what? 4. So can we graph y equals 4 and then y equals this? Please make sure that you use all of your parentheses